Hello everyone, it's me Samyog Ghimire and I currently study in grade 9 A3 and today I'm here to deliver a short and sweet presentation on the topic FIFA World Cup. FIFA World Cup is one of the most famous and prestigious tournament played in every 4 years. In FIFA World Cup, different kind of countries and their teams unite together to play for one single goal, and it is to reach the finals and book their seats to win the title of world champion. Recently in 2026, the Spain versus Argentina final was very interesting, and the winner of this World Cup were Spain. And the FIFA World Cup is played in every 4 years. FIFA World Cup is celebrated like a festival in which your own family members become your enemies and others become your friends. The team you support is the best and the team you don't support is the worst. FIFA World Cup is a tournament played in every 4 years. It was first organized in Uruguay in 1930 and still it is being held. The full form of FIFA is Federal International de Football Tournament, Football Association. It is the one of the biggest tournaments of world football, and which is played by every nation. Every nation fights from group stage to round of 32, then round of 16, the quarterfinals, semi-finals, and finally book their seats for finals. At last, I would like to say is, it's not just about winning, it's about doing your best and proving yourself to world. The legend players and the moments that they have created, for example, the Joga Bonito style of Diego Maradona and Lionel Messi, the shooting power of Cristiano Ronaldo, and the famous head attack from the Zinedine Zidane has improved the world, and they say that the end is not near. Everything we do, we evolve and we run. Thank you so much.